I've always believed that adventure doesn't start with a plane ticket, it starts with curiosity. Hey there, I'm Elynn and welcome to Elynn Adventures. Right now, I have big dreams but very little to start with. But deep down, I know that I'm meant for more. I want to see the world, tell stories, and inspire others who are also starting from scratch. That's what Elynn Adventures is all about, exploring new places, learning new cultures, meeting amazing people, and reminding you that you don't need a lot to live fully. I want to show you that the world is open for all of us. You just have to start where you are. So, if you love travel, good vibes, and read stories, you are in the right place. Join me as I wander and create memories, one adventure at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and let's grow this journey together.